Yeah, I know what you're thinking. You can get a job in the Middle East simply by trying or by magic, through others, or by fluke. Remember that competition is everywhere. Some here, some there, but bam! Loimacito is the best.
I want to give you my thoughts about running your own business online, and many people now, because of COVID, you can't go out. So obviously many people want to do business online and earn money online, and just want to share my thoughts on these issues. In fact, I even want to share a few pointers on the plus and minus of working. So I'll just give you my random thoughts. You let me know what do you think. Now the first one is running a business online. Now see, if you follow my channel, you see I post these videos. I have this camera, this GoPro, walking without a shirt, a bandana, tattoo, this, that. People think, oh wow, what a life, relaxing, enjoying. Yeah, the fact is, yes, I'm enjoying whatever, but this is not actually without thinking. You don't understand. Most people don't understand. Like when I'm making these videos, it's not just a mindless exercise. It's a calculated strategy. Now, why am I telling you this? Because there is no job, no employment, no business which is fun or easy, or you can become rich fast. See, today's information age, now when you see these Facebook ads and Instagram ads, and almost all of them are misleading. Oh, make 7-figure income. See, I'm in Thailand. I live in Thailand. I get these ads for foreigners to come to Thailand to earn $10,000 a month, to live tax-free, or to live your life of your dream. And they show a big villa, they show a swimming pool, they show a guy walking towards a Rolls Royce, hot Thai girls with him. And then there is another ad that shows this female says, I made $100,000 just by following instructions. Another one is, I made $50,000 just by, I slept, I woke up, I made, just follow these steps, it's for free. It's like Thai Lopez, for example. I'm sure you know Thai Lopez. Okay, here in my garage, he had this very famous ad. You just follow these steps and you'll become rich. 67 steps to success. And that way, if you look at it, go to Amazon, just type success books. You'll get 3 steps to leadership, 7 steps to success, 12 steps to greatness, some number and for something. But I can assure you this much, after you read it, it can be an interesting read like Jordan Peterson. It'll be a great read, or it'll be a very generic advice like Jack Ma or Warren Buffett or Richard Branson's one book, Work Hard, Focus, Sacrifice, or Tony Robbins, you can do it, it's a decision and you have to, and he'll clap your hands like this. But I can assure you this much, my open challenge to you, after you finish buying that course, or if you can complete the incredible amount of rubbish and nonsense which they take from the internet, repackage, and they sell it to you. You paid $97 or $47, or they'll call you to a mastermind group or secret success group or 7-figure income group. I have an Indian boy in my Facebook. He's a Goan boy. I don't want to give his name because I don't want you guys trolling him. He's a college student and he calls himself a consultant to earn 7-figure income. By 7-figure means he'll help you earn in millions. And he'll give you advice, and every day his post is, today I got this client who booked his per hour rate, he says, is $50,000. $5,000 to $50,000 rate per hour for his advice. And if you see his videos, oh my goodness, I've shared it with my group. You know, cringe, you know, like you can't, it's like putting your nails on the chalk on the board. Hello friends, like this is his video. Hello friends, okay, today I'm going to give you the secret to success. First, you think, it's a thought in your head, never give up, never give up. Oh my goodness. So the point I'm trying to tell you is, the only people who will become rich with these online courses and online nonsense is these people. But the reality of business online or running a business is, it's more difficult than being an employee. It's very tough, man. Don't look, I'm not saying you can't do it. Believe it or not, it's the easiest job in the world to start it. You buy a camera, take an iPhone or something, put it on a selfie stick, put some nice clothes, take a video. You don't even have to do Final Cut Pro, nothing. Upload it to YouTube. YouTube is a free account. Put a nice title, put a nice thumbnail. Okay, upload it. Advice on success. Fine. You put one video. It took you 4 hours. 2 videos, 8 hours. Every day you do 8 hours work. But now here's the question. Who will pay you money? Who will pay you money for what? And why will they pay you money? This is what people don't think. See, anything you do in life now, anything, you have to provide a service for money. And if that is not clear in your head, you're a fool. See, when I make these videos, yes, I get paid by YouTube. But for 12 hours or 14 hours of work on YouTube, I get $600 or $700. Okay? Now that $700 I can get with 2 clients or 3 clients in a day for 1 hour work each. But now the question is, how do I get those clients? That is the strategy. That is what people will never tell you. They'll never tell you how you can get that. And I can assure you this much, someone who's making money is not going to tell you how they made money. They are only going to give you bullshit, like these coaches and these gurus. Buy this book and learn our stock investment. And man, if you're making money through stocks and cryptos and all that, you're not going to teach other people. That's stupidity, man. Like example, let's say you and me, you're making money selling a product right now. Are you going to go around teaching people, okay, $100, I'll tell you where I bought this product, how do I repackage it, how much do I sell it, so that you can be a competitor to me and destroy my business? You seriously are going to do that? For $100 or $1,000? Look, one thing keep in mind. First things, this is the most important part. Not everyone is meant to run a business. Not everyone is meant to be online. Not everyone is meant to be whatever. The sad fact is, which the world will not tell you, maybe you're meant to be an employee, 9 to 5, and there's nothing wrong in that. 9 to 5, you're still earning a salary. What is wrong in 9 to 5? What is wrong in earning an income per month? The only thing that is wrong is you being in your comfort zone and you being happy with what you're getting. No, that's stupidity. With the rising inflation and rising cost, you must earn more money. What I was earning last year, I definitely am pushing more for this year. So if you are earning a salary of $1,000 or $3,000 or $10,000 per month, this year it should be 11, or it should be at least $500 more per month. Others, what the fuck are you doing? Because expenses keep going up, inflation keeps going up. Then when will you succeed? How will you save money? And remind yourself that retirement is very close. I always tell people, once you cross 40, don't expect career growth once after you cross 40. After 40, you'll be stuck more or less in the same. After 50, you should be lucky if you have a job. And by the time you're 60, they'll throw you out. And then from 60 till maybe another 20, 30 years, you have to survive. Who's going to pay for your bills, man? It's a very scary thought, I'll tell you that. Even for me, you think I don't think about it? Fuck, how long can I keep making like these videos, and who will pay me when I'm old? You seriously have to be worried. You seriously have to get out of your comfort zone. Don't let security and, oh, I got a job, oh, relax, oh, I go to the office, drink coffee, same old client. No, push yourself, man. So for that, you need to have an enterprising mind, an enterprising spirit, which is never happy. Oh, why is this guy getting more salary than me? I need to get more. Why is my boss earning more than me? I need to be in his position. You need to be competitive. That's how life is, you know. Through this video, I just want to tell you that nothing in life is easy, okay? Whether you take business or whether you take being an employee. If you want to be average as an employee, fine. Then nothing to worry, continue what you're doing. But if you want to earn more, you have to bust your ass. You have to have a new strategy, a coach, a mentor, a program, a to-do list. Otherwise, you're fucking fooling yourself. And don't think that running a business is a solution. Don't think that, okay, I'm going to be online and nothing is easy. Nothing in life is easy, man. Like for me, here's let me give you something to think about. I don't know, today I don't know whether I'll get any money or customers. I don't know today. Forget tomorrow. You think that's not scary? You think every day I don't know my bills, my expense meter is running? These are the things you need to think about, be worried about. So same way with your job, you're comfortable because you think you will get your salary end of the month. Nobody plans out, oh, when they get terminated, oh shit, I got terminated, oh, I never thought about it, department closed down, oh, my boss terminated me, they played politics, and then by the time, oh shit, oh now, and then when you apply everywhere, you think, fuck, I'll get a job, no problem. But then when the market doesn't respond, fuck, my bank balance is going down, down, down. What the fuck do I do now? Oh, help me, please help. Nobody gives a fuck. So don't wait until then. Then it's too late. And then when it happens, don't cry. Nobody cares. Anyway, wanted to share this with you. Let me know your thoughts. And yeah, please, running a business is not easy. Earning 9 to 5 is not bad. Being an employee is not insulting. Running being your own brand, not a cakewalk. And there's no fucking course in this world, no course that'll give you success. Most of them are just 99% are just fraud. They just copy paste internet information and they give you. My open challenge to you, try it out. The only person who will become rich is a guy who you paid money for the course. Okay? Anyway, this is what I wanted to share with you guys. Let me know your thoughts. You guys take care. Ciao.